Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legends channel. So friends, today I will talk about GALAX RTX 5080 HOF graphics card. So friends, the GALAX has introduced the RTX 5080 HOF, means hollow frame graphics card, which presented in primarily white color option covering the fan blade, cooling shroud, circuit board and back plate, and to magnet hit effectively. The manufacturer implemented 3 fans, 2102 mm units and 192 mm central fan, and all of which direct air across a sizable heatsink and subtle RGB lighting setup with fan hub and top edge of the card. And notable, there is a single 16-pin power connector and shift from earlier models that use two connectors and hyper boost switch. It's also located on the PCI bracket, enabling the fan to run in full speed for improved cooling during heavy gaming and intense benchmarking season. So friend, the card features a 70A high current DRMS power stage and GALAX previous generation GeForce RTX 4080 HOF OC Lab Plus. X design support 216-pin power connector. In its contrast, its successor is reliant on a single 16-pin input. So friend, the maximum TDP rating 400 watt could be default power as seen on many AIB model specification sheet, and GALAX has success the latest HOF OC Lab Plus X edition with dual BIOS system in their overclock P mode takes the boost clock up to 2730 MHz. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.